I'm going to teach you how to manage messaging access, data privacy, and chat history settings in Google Chat. First, open Google Chat. You can do this in a browser or the mobile app. The steps feel very similar either way. Once Chat is open, go to Settings. On desktop, look for the gear icon. On mobile, you'll find Settings in the menu. This is your hub for controlling who can reach you and how your information is handled. Inside Settings, choose one of the following sections depending on what you want to adjust. Start with Access Restrictions to control who can message you. This area lets you decide whether anyone can start a chat with you or if it's limited to people you allow, such as contacts or members of your organization. Tightening these options can reduce unwanted messages and keep your inbox focused. Keep in mind that available choices can vary if you're using a work or school account, since admins may set organization-wide rules. After selecting the restrictions that fit your needs, allow a moment for changes to apply. Next, visit Data Privacy to manage how your data is used. Here, review preferences that influence personalization and smart features. If you prefer a more private experience, you can limit certain uses of your chat data. If you want more helpful suggestions and a richer experience, you can enable the options that support them. Read each description carefully and choose what matches your comfort level. As before, some settings may be managed by your organization. When you're ready to fine-tune a specific conversation, open that chat. Click or tap the chat name at the top to view details for that thread. From here, you can turn off history if needed. Disabling history stops new messages in this conversation from being saved long-term, which can be helpful for short-lived or sensitive discussions. Everyone in the chat will see that history is off, and existing messages usually remain as they were. The change affects what gets saved going forward. Note that spaces and group chats may follow different retention rules, and some organizations lock this setting. You can revisit these settings anytime, and changes sync across devices linked to your account. If you're unsure whether history is on or off, check the conversation header for the indicator before you continue chatting. That's it. By opening Google Chat, adjusting settings for access restrictions and data privacy, and then managing history at the conversation level, you'll have clear control over who can reach you, how your data is handled, and what gets saved.